Opening up a 2021 Panini PRIZM today. Let's see if we get lucky. Starting off, we get base cards, then our first orange disco rookie. Not too bad. Then we get more base and our first orange disco non-rookie. Good player, I guess. Third pack, we get some more base and then a Justin Herbert orange disco.
That uniform is fire, though.
Has some cool base cards, then an orange rookie disco card for some random lineman on the Broncos. Pack 5 already has some slick base cards, then an orange disco for somebody. Tell me how to pronounce it in comments. Final pack has some base and a silver in it. Wonder who it is. Yuck, Zach Wilson. Okay, Cameron Jordan is fine, I guess. Overall, really bad box. Subscribe.